Nothing to, where's the love? people put you through.
What's up? How's everyone doing today? Well, this gold trade here, we've been in this since London session. Wasn't expecting that it was gonna take this long. And we got an FP coming up in 30 minutes. Oh. Let's see what happens. Hey Alex, good morning. NFP in 25 minutes pretty much. Good morning, Wilna. Good morning, Eddie. We got 13 more minutes. 13 more minutes for NFP. Still in this gold buys since London session. It's almost NFP time. Oh, yeah. It just looks so ugly right now because now we got this high, high, high. So we fail to break the lows. I do not like this that we have right here. I don't like that. Though we could still come back down here and possibly reject again before we drive, but there's no telling right now because of this NFP news. Mistake profit trader forex or futures? Oh, it's futures. Do you trade futures, winner? Oh, you only trade forex. Oh, okay. I guess I should have closed my trade, huh? I'm either um I'm either still going to smile or cry with this trade that I'm in because we got NFP. Oh boy. You said facts. Man, the trade was looking so good, and then this freaking happened. Hopefully, I get back to at least break even before NFP. That's just gonna be 3 5-minute candles. But then again, something in me keeps saying, don't close, don't close, don't. Don't know who that is. Something keeps telling me how to close this trade. We got in this trade. We got in this trade right here. During London session. That's where we got it, right here. So up, then down. Without NFP, I would expect this. Zoom. Anyone else still in the gold buys that we took during London session?
Oh no, I never took it.
Oh, you didn't. Well, I'm still in. Hopefully, I'm not gonna cry this morning.
Oh man, you're still in. You didn't put it like break even or
Nah. Because I saw this candle right here. I'm like, oh shit, they should freaking hit the 50% mark at least. And then over here, I waited too long.
Ah.
But then again, something keeps telling me I should not close.
Okay.
And so I'm like, well, NFP is either gonna freaking make me cry or make me smile.
Ah man, it's so dangerous, NFP candles.
Yes, it is. You know they need.
No, I never took it.
No, I was talking to Nicholas on YouTube.
Okay.
You didn't. I mean, we were trading privately during London session. You were not there with us. Can somebody come hold my mouse for me and close out my trade on my behalf? Go to you look more like it's selling. It actually could. Like I said, because of all this now, especially the fact that we now created another high up here. However, at the same time, we're not breaking lows either. So that's one of the reasons why to buys during London session. And if we go here to the 1 hour time frame here, this is a strong support that we rejected, and gold is still bullish overall. So that's why I took buys, and I'm still sticking with buys until this low gets taken out or we go higher. But we'll see. NFP could change that. It's just the price action now on the lower time frame is just very choppy. But for now, I still see buys. But we'll see what NFP does. See what NFP does. Maybe that's why I don't want to close the trade even with NFP. Because I just believe in the buys. I don't know. Or I'm just trying to be greedy today. Who knows? Well, we'll find out in 7 minutes.
Yep.
Yeah, wow. You do this, right?
Yep.
Yeah.
technically, these things they tend to break to the high side.
They tend to.
Yeah.
I think I might need me a smoke break before this freaking NFP.
Oh man.
I'm not here while whatever is about to happen. Oh man.
Yeah, Abe is in Dubai. Edwin, you in Dubai?
Yeah, keep the bit. I'm still in that London session, bias.
Super tricky.
After we had the aggressive buying, and then pre-New York, when we tapped this demand, this candle started pushing up. I'm like, to continue up. Yeah, they said no. Gold said no. I ain't doing that. Well, she's gonna do it now. NFP, bam. I hope. The weird expectation is that this news will push it down to 33.14 other blocks. Early sales will be in now 33.14. I'm guessing that's Forex. Where's 33.14 on Forex? Wow.
Well, 30. Oh, Jesus. I mean, that's super far down.
Oh, dang.
That's like breaking the lows.
I need to see
like,
this on in 1 hour.
It's there. Yeah, that
Oh,
it's up a bit on Forex. It's like this thing right here.
oh, right here.
Yeah.
This one over here.
Yeah.
Possible. $7.28. Okay. Yeah, we can go now.
Damn. It's already trying to come down.
Oh, I'll be right back. Maybe in 2 minutes.
Okay.
NFP, go my way. You're in charge, wow.
Yep. Edwin, are you in Dubai from London? One minute. Shit's about to get crazy. Oh, it's going up. Shit. Oh,
Order
straight
filled.
down. Jesus Christ. Whoa, fuck. Oh my god, it's fucking going crazy. That's like 140 pips straight up and down.
Oh well, that's that.
Yeah.
Wow. Hmm. Oh, well, yeah. We look for another. I mean, we look for a setup now. Once this freaking FP is over.
So news came out, both is green, bullish for dollar, and then one is neutral.
Still holding, David. News is green. Man, this thing might still freaking go back up, even though news is green.
Yeah.
Look at this bastard. I'm gonna take my smoke break now.
All right. Man, Edwin's ignoring me. I keep asking him if he took the buy in London and he won't answer me. This guy.
Oh, wait. No, I didn't. I already took a loss. I tried buying here. Got fucking wrecked.
Oh, I see. Okay.
And I'm like, I'm done for the London. Fuck this shit.
Oh. Did you
The
take
worst part
the...
was I was bearish the whole day.
Oh.
The Asian, I didn't take the buys. I was waiting for like the 30 demand here, I think. Never tapped it.
Oh. So you didn't take the buy Asian session that Abe sent out?
Nah, I felt like it was too close to my supply. I was expecting a sell today.
Oh.
That's why I didn't take it. I think the buy was like around here, right?
Yeah. It was a good
buy
buy
around here?
because this area, it had a bunch of since I can see the order flow, it's like it had like two-way trading, so it was gonna get taken out again.
Yeah, I just
It
saw
wasn't
there's
like
like a clean 15 supply here, so when I measure it, I don't have enough range.
oh man, look at this thing. Look at this bastard go up.
Yeah,
And if you were using the volume profile, you would have seen the sell setup because there's a big fat supply to the left here.
man, this is basically the H4 on the chart.
And then right at the edge of the supply was a big fat, like, spike of volume. So it tapped it,
Ah.
rejected straight away.
Yeah, I took this buy because I saw the 30 minutes and 1 hour already close above, and this is like a very clean demand here. Rejected, saw like a minor, I took it here, and then fucking wreck. Oh man.
Man, this session's cooked. Look at this candle. Who wants to trade? Who wants to trade with a fucking
Yeah.
doji this goddamn big?
Agree, killed a bit. I was actually waiting for this to go up to the supply here, and then I would actually take the cells, but you never get there.
I was looking at cells right here, but it didn't give me the setup I wanted. Because this was like, it looked like this high was gonna get pierced again. And then it just did not pierce it and went down. And then there's the gap all the way down into here that I wanted to fill. And once I filled it, I took the buy there and then take profit and then nope, that's it.
Nice. I think this one is not even a supply, like this one here. Not a 15 supply. So I thought like if she goes here, maybe I'll take it if she gives me like this kind of stuff.
Oh.
But yeah, not high enough.
Sometimes you should look for the supplies where it's like you can already tell it's like rejected very strongly multiple times. Like if you draw it here, you can see it tapped it, right? Like all up here. And then tapped it so many times that it eventually gave the move down.
Yeah.
So then you know that there's someone selling it up here very strongly.
I'll take a look at it later. Next time for the next trade.
And then like Abe had it drawn up, the demand zone, right? It's like obviously there's something here, right? It tapped it, wicked through it, came straight back up, wicked through it, straight back up, wicked through it, straight back up. So something's going on here, but the thing is with this one is it's not holding. It's going through it before it comes back.
Gonna be crazy if she closed right in the middle here. Doji land.
Oh. Nas is pushing. I look like a crazy trader holding this trade. Man, you're still holding? Like, what'd you take? Buy, sell? Like, my goodness. Let's see, what did Nas do? Oh, man, damn. Straight up and holding. So I guess gold should go down. They have been doing the opposite of each other for quite a while now, gold and Nas. I don't know. Nasdaq is coming straight into a supply. I mean, it's tapping into it. I heard that Nas sold off yesterday because of something related to Donald Trump and Elon Musk not liking each other.
I'm back. I'm back now, guys. Sorry about that. Just needed that break. Well, I do see this coming down now. just because of how this candle closed. If this candle had closed at least with a bullish body, then I'll go with buys. But since it closed with a bearish body, usually price tends to follow that, especially if it closes like this with a long bottom wick. Price is at least going to come down to fill it up. Right? Now, even if it does not close below the previous candle, simply because of this support that we have right here, the fact that we pretty much rejected this 30-minute supply here, right? The fact that we rejected this 30-minute supply here, plus we have this high right here, which means this low that we have at 33.62, of course this is the high that it created, and we pretty much pushed down, we created a lower high, which means all this low that was in its path, price is breaking it. We only have this major support to break right now, but I do see it breaking it. It came down aggressively, and pretty much after the news, price just followed in that direction. So we should calm down. So I have definitely switched my bias. The way I trade, which is supply and demand, and me pretty much taking my trades at the lows and highs, that's pretty much supply and demand. So if there's a support that price kept rejecting from, and then we had an aggressive buying from there, just like we did obviously right here after we created this support, and it's a previous 1 hour support that was not taken out, and we rejected it again, and then price just started creating highs and lows. So of course, if price comes back down to this support, since this is the major support that created the high, of course, I'm going to look to buy it from there. But as of right now, I think we should break this support right now. And if I'm going to consider buys at all, I'm going to have to wait for another aggressive buying, a demand setup, and then I will take the buys. Because if price does that and it comes back down to reject again, we should continue to the upside. And now we could get back to another major high, and price decided to reject then, and then maybe we come down, and that move to the downside will eventually break this support. So we might not break it today, but I think we should. But then again, it's Friday, so I don't know. Damn, Nas went crazy.
Yeah.
Ish.
As soon as Nas closed strong and held up there, it's like, oh shit, gold's gonna come down. Gold was still playing around in the doji, and then Nas was already like holding up there. It's like, yeah.
Yeah. Um, Man, the fact that the buyers could not the buyers that got in on this freaking candle, they could not stop this from dropping.
NFP. You can't stop NFP.
Oh man. This session might be chalked, but we'll see. There's still time. No, it's cool. Oh.
Oh, damn. DD had like all winning trades but closed them before they
NFP?
hit the TP. Yeah, before NFP.
Oh, damn.
I mean, there's not much you can do about it, honestly, because NFP really, either have to like take like size off or close out the trade because,
Well,
you know,
all I have to say, Diddy, you did better than me. Because God gave me chances to close, but I didn't. So at least you were not stupid. I was. I was stupid and greedy. And I paid the price for it. So,
Oh, King,
yeah,
King, you didn't close the trade?
nope, I didn't.
Oh, damn.
So Diddy, you did good. The universe tried to tell me multiple times. I wasn't listening, I was too greedy. Oh man. NQ moves very well and fast. Yep, when it wants to.
Yeah.
But I don't trade it on Fridays and Wednesdays. We've been trading gold this week pretty much.
And Abe's been killing it. He's been slaying gold this week.
Yep, I have been. True. Because I feel like the reason for that is because now I'm actually paying more attention to sticking to the setup I'm looking for this week rather than thinking the market is going to follow what I predict. You know how like you've been doing this for so long and there's just some setup that you be like, oh, I've seen that before. Oh, dude, it worked before. So I'm gonna take it again. So instead of going off that, I'm just pretty much following what it's doing and just sticking to a setup.
Yeah.
if you notice a setup like this, I would have taken it.
On the 5 minute?
Huh? Yeah, on the 5 minute.
Oh, okay. Normally you don't like the 5 minute on gold.
No, like, because no, I've been looking at even the time frame. They have pretty much changed it. I don't know if you guys noticed. We've been trading on the 5 minute.
Yeah, I've seen that lately. Yeah.
And early in the year, I did horrible on the 5 minute. I don't know if you remember. Most of the winning trades was on the 15 minute early in the year. So I had to do some digging. I had to do some digging. What I meant by digging is freaking sitting my ass down and try to figure out what's going on by going back and to look at the charts, then come back this. No.
I always thought that mostly if you lose under 5 minutes, it's because you take every trade setup. It's like you see the setup, it's like I'm gonna take it.
Mm-hmm. Yeah, that's what I meant by not sticking to the setup.
As in probably like the most ideal setup.
Huh?
Like the most ideal setup instead of like low probability setups.
Mhm.
Like every setup that appears.
Yeah. Like to see how we react at this 30 minute. The only issue here going to be the fact that it didn't break this low. Right? On the 15 minute we did not, 30 minute we did not, 1 hour we did not. So in order for me to take this, for a chance for price to come back this low, I'm pretty much going to need this. We reject, come back down, we do this, reject again, then I'll take it. And if it comes straight down, well, it is what it is. I need more confirmation that it is going to fall. So that's the setup I will be looking for ourselves. We failed to break the minor low, and then on top of that, we failed to break the major support. So you got two reasons not to freaking take sales right away. Two reasons is already against you. Yeah, looks like we do have the structure for it to possibly come down. But that's where the higher time frame overall structure comes in. We are bullish on that time frame, and we have a major support that price has been previously pushing up from that already created a high. So if price rejected it, there's a chance it could continue back up from there. And right now you get two things telling you there's a chance this might freaking go up from here. Fail to break minor low and the major lows. So for me, I'm gonna take the sales. I need it to reject here again, then give me another aggressive selling this, and then I'll look to take the sell. To reject again, that's more confirmation for me to take the trade either below the previous candle or whatever minor support it creates. That's what I'll be taking. If it gives it, fine, and if it does not, then no trade. I'm not going to take a sell when price rejected off of the previous major low. It's gonna have to go back up to the highs. Reject first. Give me another aggressive selling because it has to give some type of hope and fake outs before it continues in the direction it wants to. So I get that set up. Okay, I've said too much. I'm high. Don't listen to me. Oh no, you probably should listen. I agree, David. Yeah. Now I see it falling more, but I'm not just gonna take sell anywhere, especially not in the middle. About to fake me. Not today. Maybe another day. You see, there's a possibility that gold is going to fail this week here before dropping. There's also a chance we could do it right now to fill this bottom wick and then reject again. Oh. How you like that, Dakums?
And then there were none. What's he looking like today? What's he looking like today? Any good? Over 100. Okay.
I realize I was on that. Good morning, Francisco. Um, buys, yeah, buys is possible. It could go back up again from here uh, before it makes its decision to fall. At the same time, it could continue dropping. So it's just risky. Because me buying at this low after the market has pretty much showed me that this has become a seller's market, and I'm still looking to buy. That's risky. I'm just a retail trader, so I ain't got that much money to go against the big players. So I'm gonna stay out of buys. Yeah, technically it is a low, which means there's also a chance price could go up. But then again, what volume do you see? What pattern do you see? Then you come to your final decision. Am I trading Monday? Of course. Wait, is Monday on holiday or something?
Uh,
Huh?
I don't know. Let me check.
So Francisco, I hope that makes sense. Right now, I'm just trying to follow the pattern that is now clear to me, which equals the volume. So I'm going to follow that.
AUD bank holiday and Euro bank holiday in Swiss.
Oh, I'm trading on Monday, not USD.
Wait, are you trying to disrespect the immense amount of buying power that Australia and the Europeans have?
Well, in fact, I worry more about China.
Yeah, it's true.
Yeah. If it's Chinese holiday now, okay, I might have to rethink trading on Monday. It's national. First Kingdom traders said it's National Trading Day on Monday. This range that we're now in right now has become a risky range. It has freaking become a risky range.
Yeah, it's terrible.
So you gotta be smart about it. And then if you're lucky, you win. If you're unlucky, you lose. Oh man. You see that range where it's pretty much like anything can happen? Man, if you can, stay away. Just stay away. Come back the next session or the next day. There are some range you would just like, cause especially if you've been doing this for a while, you would just know. So you gotta be smart to try to outsmart the market. Those are the zones where I like to wait for more confirmation. Even if my setup actually does shows up, I will still need more confirmation. And I'll take the trade. I just pretty much need to be extra patient. Sometimes I gotta be. And this up and down move that we're seeing is because of one major thing here. The fact that we did not break this minor low on the 15, 30 minute and the 1 hour. They all rejected it, even though we closed below on the 5 minute. And you also have this major support. So we failed to close below 2 zones on the downside. Now we've came back to this low. We kind of filled this low, this bottom wick. Now it's time for it to do this wick. And then we should reject again here. We should. We might reject above this high just to grab liquidity above it, then it will come down. Damn, I just saw David comments. He said new traders be blowing account anyhow inside this range. Now, this type of ranges, they're much easier to trade on the much lower time frames, like the 1 minute or 30 seconds chart or the tick chart. But the higher the time frame you go, the harder it gets. So it's better to just wait.
Yeah. I technically saw a sell setup at this area right here, but it just didn't look worth taking.
Yeah. Yep. Just taking the sell in the middle is much riskier.
Oh, Kill the Beat says it's gonna blow through that supply.
This 30-minute supply? Is that what he said? Oh,
He
he's
said this
talking
is
about
gonna
this
blow
one.
through. Oh, I don't know.
Oh,
He's
yeah,
trolling.
Yeah, I should have known. Kill the Beat always trolling. But at the same time, shit, it could be right. I don't know. I'm not in control. Hey, I'm just the messenger. God is the boss. So, whatever the boss wants to do, the boss can. Everything is going up. Oh. God is surely the boss. Yep. Yeah, probably so. FX condemn traders. They're beefing right now. Come on, man. You don't reject here. Go back up, man. It's not time yet. What are you doing? Well, there is a 30-minute supply there, but nah, you gotta go up. Gotta go up more, my G. You beefing with your bank account. So right now we're pretty much trying to fill those weeks halfway, upside and the downside. Man, wow, take a look at the VWAP.
Ah. Oh, yep. What a champ.
I seen that thing,
Oh.
I'm like, shit.
Man, it's been a champ today. Since like London session, it's been doing pretty well.
Since London,
Yeah.
yeah, pretty much 2 fake breakouts.
Yeah.
And this will be the second time it's rejected it. Yeah. It's,
Oh no, it's not flat. It's like curving down.
yeah, covering down, yeah. But I don't care what the VWAP is saying. Still too risky. Too risky. I'm gonna keep waiting till a final decision has been made. No, the VWAP rejecting it just confirms pretty much the first step. Because you already have a sell, bias, and then prices pretty much rejected the VWAP twice, even though we did not break this low here on the higher time frames, 15 minute and above, but yet we rejected the VWAP twice. It just gives you that bearish volume confirmation. Now, then your decision comes in. Do you want to get in the trade as soon as price rejects the VWAP, and just use that as your pretty much your setup, or do you still want to use a different setup instead? If I trade off for VWAPs, yep, I'll take this out, but I don't. If I use it, I'm just gonna use it for more confirmation, pretty much. And it will be the last, my final confirmation. Because, in my opinion, I don't think there is any indicator that beats volume and price action. Well, pretty much price action is all the same. None. But hey, that's just my opinion. The reason why I agree that VWAP is actually a good indicator is because it's volume based. That's why. But at the same time, it still gives false information also. I didn't realize I was on mute. So I was saying, right now, well, we rejected VWAP, supply was there. Question is, are we going to continue down now, or are we going to reject here and go up, or are we going to reject the support again and go up? Well, I don't know. Anything can happen, and I'm not here for the who knows. I need to be sure. So right now I don't know shit. So until I know, then I'll join the ride. So I'm gonna sit my ass down here and wait. Watch. Damn, I'm high. I need to smoke this type of weed more often. I like it because I'm talking. Okay. Very good. Usually I just pretty much keep all this shit to myself and just focus on what I have in mind. Except if I'm like, teaching, then that's different. Yep, NYC coming too. Yep, let's see what's gonna happen. Will they make a decision now? Because right now, their mind is not made up yet. It's like they themselves, they don't know. Like they're confused. So we need to let them wake up. Man, wow, this is your market right here.
Oh no, I don't want to. Most of the moves are like leaving gaps, so I'm like, nah.
You could have cut this. Man, you could have cut this one too now. Oh. Yep, ugly price action.
Also, I'm kind of checked out already mentally. It's been a good week.
Yeah, I'm getting there too. But I'm still good. For now, I'm not there yet. How are you doing, Samuel? Oh man, kill the beat. I'm gonna smoke one more blunt for you today, because you complimented me. First time ever. See that? Wow.
Normally he's riding your ass.
Yep. Right now, this is already a freaking possible disaster for the sellers right now. Because it's already created a support, here. We feel the highs halfway, we feel the lows halfway. So we're pretty much at the same level both ways. Now we got another minor low here. Now we could go back up again, create another high, now breaking above this week, and then the cycle just continues before they make a decision, either up or freaking to the downside. But anything might happen. We break the high, break the lows. Who knows? My point is, it's just freaking too much going on right now. They've not made their mind up yet. Too much going on. And yeah, what are you gonna do? You know the answer. Oh, you know. You think to go up or down, if not today, then tomorrow. Oh man. Oh man. Like, what the hell? Even the fact that today is freaking NFP, this is all we get?
Yeah. Surprising.
Freaking choppy ass market on NFP day. Oh man.
Come on, guys. Smash that like button. Give it up for Abe and his top of the line weed.
Yep. You should. And I also pray that I keep winning so I can get money to buy some more if I run out. Okay. Oh man. Good NQ do. Yeah, at least NQ freaking did something. At least NQ did something. Oh.
And there's also looks like there's no volume on gold as well.
Yeah.
Like, this is the New York Open? Like, what the hell?
Yeah, I'm getting close to say F it, but yeah, we need Trump to respond to Elon. Then something will happen. Like market conditions like this is where news traders be losing because this range is so freaking confusing that anything can freaking happen. Especially the fact that it's rejecting at the critical zone.
Yeah.
So it's very, very confusing one. That's where experience comes in. And it's not hard to figure out. It's just like I said earlier, you follow the pattern and the volume that you see. That's how you know. And so far, the volume that we stuck to, which is sales, it's what the market is doing. Even though we're not in, right? Even though we're not in, but we were right with pretty much with the bias that we have, and we're not in because there is no setup yet. That's pretty much it.
Massive iceberg at the very low of that candle, absorbing all the selling.
Man.
Looks like they're probably gonna come down and smash him. Got him.
And if 3365.6 breaks, closes below, I think even on the 5 minutes that we should continue down. It should be close strongly below. Of course, if it does it on the 15, then there's more confirmation of it dropping. Behind the time frame, the more the confirmation, pretty much. Like that's why on the 5 minute time frame, I don't really focus on the what am I looking for? The 5 minute closures below a high or a low, pretty much 5 minute BOS. I don't focus on it. 15 minutes and above, then all the way to at least the 1 hour time frame, pretty much. What I use the 5 minute time frame for is like how we have this low here and price already created 2 lower highs, right? And then we have that BOS on the lower time frame here on the 5, but we don't have it on the higher time frame. I am going to now start, instead of me looking for buys, I'm going to start looking at sells. Now earlier, the reason why I was not looking for it was, of course, that was before we actually broke this, but now that it broke, this range has now become freaking horrible to trade. You want to risk it, you just got to risk the lows and the highs, because it might just keep freaking ranging before the BOS. Just too freaking risky. But I'd rather take sells than take buys. But I'm not going to do that if we do not reject these highs again. I'm going to wait for the extreme high that it created in that range.
I can't believe it didn't dump. As soon as they broke the big buyer at the bottom, I was like, oh, it's over.
Yeah,
But no.
Yeah, because it's a freaking crazy range.
Yeah, side note.
Oh, man. It's a freaking strong support. It's a strong support, but higher time frame range too. So anything you buy the extreme low, you buy the extreme. You buy the extreme low, you sell the extreme high. But I'd rather wait for the extreme high and not trade the middle of the range and stick to what the pattern is in volume. Oh, maybe it will drop now. Maybe. Oh, or maybe not. Wow. Oh, man. Yeah, okay. Gold is golden today. Gold is in our feelings today. Us is just picking out sellers. Well, guys, I am going to call it. I'm gonna call it that today is, it's done. It's done. I'd rather not do it today. So I will see you guys next week Monday. Have a great weekend, everyone. God bless. Had a good week. See you guys on Monday.
Thanks, Ed.
You're welcome, guys. All right, guys. Have a good weekend, guys.
You too.
Yeah.